Hey folks, it's time to feed Crikey the Cayman. Now Crikey's been with us here at Earthshine for about 2 months. He's a spectacled Cayman from South America, and he's really hungry, so I'm going to give him some turkey gizzard and turkey liver, and I think he's going to put on a good show, so here we go. There's Crikey, waiting patiently, as crocodilians are very good at doing until the right moment to strike. Keeping his body submerged makes him feel as if he's hidden by the water's surface, and just the top of his head is exposed so that his eyes, ears, and nostrils are all on alert for the approaching meal. So let's get the meal for him. This is a turkey gizzard. Now a gizzard is a muscle that is part of the turkey's digestive system that is used to grind up food. So when the turkey eats food items such as seeds and nuts, obviously turkeys don't have teeth, so those items go down into the crop and then later into the gizzard. Once they get into the gizzard, there are small rocks in there that the turkey has swallowed previously to his meal, and those little rocks are used to crush the food by the extremely strong action of this really strong muscle that is the turkey gizzard. And then after the food's crushed, it passes on into the stomach and is digested. Well, this food is going to get passed into the stomach of a Cayman. Whoa! He's ready. Huh? Alright, it looks like Crikey's ready. He's in the right position, so here we go. Oh yeah. Good stuff. Alright, let's go for the liver. This is a turkey liver. Pretty gross looking. Yes, of course, but I'm sure if you like to eat liver, well, this is what it looks like before it's cooked. And the liver is a blood filter. It filters out all the junk that you don't want to have in your blood. You sure you want to eat that? Well, it's full of iron and other vitamins. Whoa! Come on, Crikey. All right, here we go. Well, I named Crikey after, well, Steve Irwin, of course, the crocodile hunter. It's very fitting, I believe. And there you have it. Crikey the Cayman, having lunch here at Earthshine. And I think he's done with me. That ought to hold him over for a couple of weeks. See you later, Crikey. Now, wasn't that really neat? Be able to watch Crikey eat. It's just like watching, you know, a 25-foot Australian saltwater croc eat. They feed exactly the same way. Or an American alligator. Exactly the same manner of feeding. Launching out of the water, coming up, grabbing the food. How cool is that? On the track.